Greetings, my wonderful students. Today we begin our study of the Oregon Country. Rivalry in the Northwest. The Oregon Country was located north of California between the Pacific Ocean and the Rocky Mountains. It included what is now Oregon, Washington, Idaho, parts of Montana and Wyoming, and about half of British Columbia. In the early 1800s, 4 nations and numerous Native American groups claimed the region. Americans wanted control of Oregon to gain access to the Pacific Ocean. Spain agreed to set the northern border of California, then Spanish territory, at its current border, giving up its claim to Oregon in the Adams-Onis Treaty of 1819. Russia gave up its claims to land south of Alaska, which was then Russian territory, in 1824. The United States and Britain agreed to joint occupation of Oregon. Mountain men in Oregon. Beaver skins were in great demand in Europe for hats, so fur trappers came to Oregon to make money. These fur trappers, tough, independent men from the Rocky Mountains, were called mountain men. As time passed, over-trapping and fashion changes made fur trapping not profitable anymore. Some mountain men settled down to farm in Oregon. Other mountain men became famous guides who led new settlers west along new trails, such as the Oregon Trail, the California Trail, and the Santa Fe Trail. Dr. Marcus Whitman and his wife Narcissa went to Oregon in 1836 and built a mission to bring medical care and convert the Cayuse people to Christianity. The Whitmans unknowingly brought the measles, and the disease killed many Cayuse children. The Cayuse blamed the Whitmans and attacked the mission, killing them and 11 others. Hard economic times in the East, and fertile land in Oregon drew many settlers. Thousands of immigrants from the East journeyed 2,000 miles to Oregon, beginning in 1843. In the 1800s, many Americans began to believe that the U.S. was destined to spread across the continent and spread freedom. In the 1840s, this idea was stated by a New York newspaper editor as manifest destiny. Many Americans wanted to take over all of Oregon, and it became an issue in the 1844 presidential election. The Democrat candidate, James Polk, supported this, and his party used the slogan 54-40 or fight to campaign. This slogan meant that the northern border of the United States and Oregon should be 54 degrees 40 minutes north latitude, 54-40. Polk's opponent did not take a strong stand on Oregon and lost the election. Polk tried to get Oregon, but the British would not accept the 54-40 northern border. They compromised, setting the border at 49 degrees north latitude, which they had rejected as a border 21 years earlier. And that is how we got the northern border of the Oregon Country.